Hello, it's me, Robin, with Simple Food, Simple Life. I just thought I would show you what I'm up to today. Probably won't be very exciting, but hey, you know, friends don't need tons of excitement, do we? No, we don't. Okay, last night I put a small boneless pork roast. It's the kind that's wrapped in the netting, and I put it in my Ninja on the slow cooker feature. It's about 7:15 or so this morning. It's Thursday. What is the date today? March the 14th, 2024. So I did want to show you this. I had it on low all night, and then when I got up this morning, I did turn it off, so it's still hot in there, but that's fine. Now, the reason why I did this is because I've had this pork roast in there, I'm going to venture to say since last fall, maybe late summer, I don't recall. So it did need to be used up. It looks quite good. It's not large, but I don't need anything large. I put just enough water in the bottom to help facilitate the cooking process. I have not, but it's got a nice juicy broth off of that as well. It smells really good. I'm just going to let it cool off, and then I'm going to take the netting off and slice it up and store it in the refrigerator, because that's just part of meal prep or ingredient prep. I'm just going to have it to eat as I go along, and it'll be delicious. Yesterday I did 5 pounds of chicken legs, or drumsticks if you prefer, in the Ninja. I did this, I put them in frozen actually, and I put them on pressure cook for a little bit, just enough to thaw them out, and then I did them in the oven feature in the Ninja. And this is actually just part of the 5 pounds. This is basically will be for me, but mostly for my little dog. I just take the meat off of one of the chicken legs, and she really enjoys it. This is another portion of the chicken legs. There's 4 legs in there, and I actually separated 8 legs out of the batch, the 5 pounds that I made, and I ate 4 of these yesterday. Instead of hot wings, I call them hot naked legs. And they've got my favorite Louisiana hot sauce with some butter, melted butter, and then I just pour them on the legs, and after the legs get crispy, and I crisped up the legs, I forgot to tell you, in the with the air fry feature of the Ninja. So they were really delicious, by the way. Now, I do have a video that I call Hot Thighs, because of the popularity of chicken wings, the price on those are insane, and frankly, I'm not buying that. And especially thighs and legs have much more meat on them, and you can do a lot with them. So I have what I call hot thighs, and these I'm introducing you to hot naked legs. So you should try them. They're really delicious. I ate 4 of them yesterday. I have 4 of them for another day. In a day or two, I will eat those. They were awesome. So I just stored them in there, and that's a meal. These are the chicken livers I've had in the freezer for a while. I took them out. They've been thawing in the refrigerator. I am going to cook those up. It's just one of those things. They were inexpensive at the time. I wanted to get them. I actually thought I bought 2, but one of the packages is chicken gizzards, and that's fine. So I'm going to be cooking these up. at some point, and that's going to give me probably a couple of meals. So I'm going to give those a try, and well, not really give them a try. I know what chicken livers taste like, and they're delicious if you make them right. They are really, really good. So that will be coming up probably this weekend, because you don't want to let livers sit in the fridge for too long. They don't have much longevity once they're not frozen. I just want to tell you this, as far as the hot naked legs are concerned, I've got to tell you, this was so good. I had picked up a little sour cream when I was in Dollar General a while back. I love the Daisy brand. I eat others, but I really love this brand. It's pure and natural, and it's really delicious. A lot of them have carrageenan and things like that in there. But the ingredients for Daisy is, it's just cultured cream. See there? That's it, cultured cream. It's awesome. So anyway, when I ate my hot naked legs yesterday, I had a little dish with a couple tablespoons of sour cream in it. I had some dill pickles on the side, and I ate them, and I'm telling you, they were awesome. They were awesome that way. I just put a little spread of the sour cream on the chicken leg when I ate it, and it was delicious. You see here, I've got that buttery, hot, spicy Louisiana hot sauce in there. It was awesome. Give these a try if you really, because sometimes you want the hot wings, but they just cost too much. So just make this, and it's more meat. It's awesome. Something else I took out of the freezer yesterday, I took out this 2 pounds of ground beef. Now, I bought this quite a while back, and so it has been in my freezer. It was on sale. There's 2 pounds of beef there. These weigh 8 ounces each. I'm trying to see on here what the date is on those. Oh, well, it doesn't matter. Anyway, they were $3 and something for the package. We're using a digital coupon, so I was very happy to get them. But I'm going to divide these up. I'm going to make them into 8 patties, and then I'm going to cook those patties and freeze them. And so when I want something, or have a nice something for my little dog, then these will work perfectly for that. So I will be doing these up, well, maybe today or tomorrow. It depends. I have chiropractor this morning. I've got an early appointment with the chiropractor, so I will be doing that, and then I do have some errands to run. If I do anything spectacular, I'll be sure and share it with you. But I'll see you later. I do have a chicken liver story that I would like to share with you later on in the video, and so it's quite amusing. All right. I'm back. Well, I'm back from the chiropractor. I had my chiropractor appointment, which is always great, and then I had to zip by Dollar General because I inadvertently picked up tuna in vegetable oil, which that's a no-no. Well, vegetable oil is a no-no. And cats don't like that. So I exchanged it for just tuna and water. And then I had to zip around to my credit union to pick up my cash for the month, because I use cash for my groceries, gas, etc. So I got that done. So I poured myself a cup of coffee, and I'm going to tell you about my chicken liver story. Years ago, back in the 90s, I was working for a general contractor at a nuclear plant. And so my drive to work was like 45 minutes, depending on, traffic, weather, etc. So, and that was one way. So I'd come home from work and I had zipped into the grocery store to pick up a few grocery items. Got home, got in the house, got the stuff put away, and quickly went about making dinner. And life went on. So the next day I get in my car and it seems fine. And I drive to work, no problem. I get out of work and I get back in my car to come home, and my car smells weird. It just smelled terrible. It was like something was dead in there. And so I thought, well, what in the world's that? So I rolled down the windows. Well, I'd air it out because I had no clue what it was. And then I get home. I check my car before I go in the house. I couldn't find anything. And I usually keep a pretty decently clean car. I don't have junk in it and stuff. So it was easy to look, and I couldn't find anything. So I went in, made supper, went on with my evening, etc. Next morning, I get out, I go to work. Now, this is late spring, just like close to the beginning of summer. The days are warm. And so I get in my car to go to work, and it smells terrible. It smells worse. And I thought, what in the world is that? It smells dead. So I thought, I don't have time to look for things. I put the windows down, went to work, and just getting to work was one thing, but I had to park in the contractor's parking lot, and that was kind of a walking distance from the nuclear plant. So, I had to always allow for that to make sure that I got through security in time to start my work day. So I get out of work, I get in the car, and it was hot that day, and it was horrible. It smelled really, really bad. So I put the windows down again and had the air conditioning on because it was bad. And then I thought, was something crawl up in here and die? What in the world is that? And so I got home and I thought, I have to find whatever this is. So I searched my car even closer than ever. I looked everywhere that I could look, and then I popped open the trunk. And lo and behold, there was that carton of chicken livers. I had not brought them in. Now, when I would buy chicken livers at my local store where I lived then, they would put the carton of livers in a separate bag, in their own bag. And evidently the bag had rolled out, and the carton, because of the heat, the carton was bulging, and the smell was horrendous, and it was just on the verge of bulging completely open, and some of the nasty blood was starting to seep out into the car. Fortunately, it wasn't completely out of the bag, so it seeped under the bag and not on my car that I could tell. But I thought, oh my word, and I had no memory of leaving it in there. I was busy when I got in the house and unpacked my groceries. I didn't pay any attention. And then lo and behold, I thought I didn't even miss them. What in the world was I thinking? And that's because I was busy, I was distracted, I was trying to hurry up and get things done, had to make supper, etc. And so I double bagged the nastiness and put it in the garbage, and then I scrubbed the bottom of my trunk because just to be on the safe side. And I sprayed in the car, and it was very, very bad. So the moral of the story is, do not buy chicken livers or any kind of meat of any kind and forget about them in the trunk of your car, because it will be nasty. it will be smelly and you will be searching, trying to figure out what the heck crawled up in your car and died. So, all right. That's my chicken liver story. I love you guys. You know I do. Always remember that little is much when God is in it, okay? All right. I hope you have a great day. It's raining here. It's 47 degrees, cloudy, but I got my errands run, got my chiropractor in, and life is good. All right. I love you guys. You take care. I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.